It's the 27th of September 2018. Welcome to New Vision TV News around Uganda. I am Roethina Seje, and these are the stories making headlines across the country. To start the bulletin from Kasese District. Now, people suffering from tuberculosis in Kasese District risk spreading the disease to others due to delayed diagnosis. Hima Health Center 3 cannot diagnose patients because of lack of equipment. Instead, the patients are referred to Kilembe Hospital 30 kilometers away from the health center. Dr. Manasseh Baluku, who heads the health center, said it takes 2 days to get the results of the diagnosis. He said they register 3 new cases monthly. Baluku said TB patients should be monitored to avoid the outbreak. Crossing over to Butaleja district, now the number of underage mothers seeking medical care at health centers in Butaleja district is worrying local leaders. According to Richard Wire, the district chairperson, records show that 3 out of every 10 mothers visiting local hospitals are below 18 years. Now, Harriet Calendar, a midwife at Butaleja Health Center 3, said out of a monthly average of 75 mothers who turn up for antenatal care, about 20 are not yet 18 years. The district health office records show that there are 2,322 women above 18 in Butaleja sub-county alone. You're still watching New Vision TV News around Uganda. I am Roethina Seje, but now let us take a break and take a look at what is making headlines in today's copy of the New Vision. Now, for those who cannot access the hard copy of the New Vision, you can visit the link below. It is the e-paper. You can subscribe to it and get all the products that are published by Vision Group. You're still watching New Vision TV News around Uganda. I am Roethina Seje. Let us continue looking at more stories making headlines across Uganda. Now, from Kabalore District, a meeting between Uganda Tea Association, UTA, Operation Wealth Creation, OWC, and the local government in the Rwenzori region resolved to embark on measures geared at improving the tea quality in Uganda. The meeting was held at Mountains of the Moon Hotel in Fort Portal. Some of the measures to enforce are the 2 leaves, then one bad pest practice of harvesting tea as a measure of ensuring quality tea collections. Now, the tea actors asked government to improve on the tea research infrastructure, to improve the training of trainers as a mitigation measure into the best practices of harvesting tea. The meeting also tasked the UTA to develop an institution code of conduct which will be enforced by district local government, forming bylaws, coordinates, and work out mechanisms to coordinate and collaborate on the enforcement. Let's close the bulletin from Mayuge district. The women of Chigandalo, Bukabalo, and Impungwe sub-counties in Mayuge district have criticized the local leaders over their failure to help them meet President Yoweri Museveni. Now, they say they have supported Museveni, but their efforts have not been recognized. The women made the remarks while receiving maize seeds from the Bunya East Member of Parliament, Wayura Chiwalabi Majegere, at St. Peterson Memorial Primary School in Chigandalo sub-county. They disclosed that they were battered by their husbands for supporting the president and the National Resistance Movement Party. Edisa Nalubanga, a resident of Sesa village, said they had contracted different local leaders regarding the matter, but nothing has been done. Elizabeth Naigaga, a resident, said they had a lot to share with the president with regard to development and transformation of the rural women. She added that the Uganda Women Empowerment Program was helping some women in communities and stressed the need for more development oriented initiatives. That's all I had for you from me, Ruth Inasaja, and the New Vision TV team. Remember, you can get more news updates and other stories on New Vision TV by visiting our website, which is www.newvision.co.ug/video. You can also subscribe to our social media platforms. Facebook is The New Vision, Twitter is @NewVisionWire, Instagram is @NewVisionWire, and our YouTube channel is New Vision TV. You can also get in touch with me on my Twitter handle, which is Ruth the Voice.